You see, naona watu wakiuliza Winnie Odinga ni wa 2 term, ni wa 1 term ama ni vipi? Kulingana na ile interview yake alifanya pale Citizen TV, aliacha watu na maswali mingi sana. Lakini baada ya mimi kuichambua, I am coming to tell you whether Winnie Odinga is a 2 term or a 1 term. Now listen and listen very carefully. Winnie Odinga anajaribu kuwekelea double chance. Winnie Odinga hafaiti mwananchi wa kawaida. Winnie Odinga anafaitia chama ambayo anahisi kuwa ni chama cha babake. That's the reason unaona yeye hafight government. Yeye hafight William Ruto. There's nowhere Winnie shall criticize the mode of governance of President William Ruto. Winnie Odinga is always criticizing the Wanga, Joho and Junet because they seems to align with President William Ruto and to sell the party to the president. But if today Winnie Odinga is promised to be the party leader of ODM with one condition of supporting President William Ruto re-election, Winnie Odinga will run and support William Ruto without even hesitating. That is the truth. That's why uliona anahepa maswali. Akaulizwa, do you think merging with UD, ODM merging with UD, it's a very good thing? Yeah, we have the same ideology based on sijui religious and ABCD. Because anajaribu kuhepa maswali with the aim of not annoying the president and the government people, and at the same time trying to figure out how way, kwa sababu asionekane pia kama ametoka ule mrengo wakina Babu Owino na mrengo wakina Edwin Sifuna. In fact, Winnie Odinga she's getting that friendship with Babu Owino and Edwin Sifuna to help her fight the bigger people in ODM, that is Wanga and Junet. But today, if ODM is given that mandate to lead the ODM party, she will support the government. That I can tell you for sure. Because there's no way Winnie is trying to tell us that the government is bad, and at the same time, the same government is appointing her mother to lead. How? You can't have your cake and eat it. If you really think the government is not doing really well for the mwananchi wa kawaida, you should not associate yourself with that government. So we won't tell Winnie. The card you are playing, it's the card that has been played by politicians. So you are trying to be so versatile, but sisi tunakuonea 18. Sisi tunakuonea 18 kabisa.